What's going on, my peoples? What's the mother freaking deal? Thank y'all for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. So this is gonna be a quick and simple video. Probably gonna be like 2 minutes, maybe less. I'm in the basement, start from the bottom, and my mama shit. Don't judge me. I'm gonna make it out this bitch one day in a mansion. Just watch. But anyway, I went and did a nice little investment for myself today. What I did was, now y'all know when I had bought the BT 200 mini bike. It's right here. It's right here in front of me. I almost messed it up, but I got a surprise for y'all, and I'm about to show y'all real quick with my bed, because I don't feel like carrying this thing outside just to do the video when I can just do it right here in the house. That's why it's gonna be short and simple, because y'all gonna be in my fucking space, man. I don't need y'all to be all in my space, but there we go right there. Predator engine, 212cc. This thing cost me $285. $285. Can you believe that shit? Now, the only reason why it costs so much because it's got the stage 1 kit on it already. It got the stage 1 kit on it already. So, as y'all can see, here it go right here. Got the pipe on here. Got the air filter. And yes, this is a Hemi Predator. This is not the bullshit one. This is the Hemi Predator, okay? As y'all can see, look at the gas tank. Y'all can tell everything is the same. Everything is right. You feel me? Now, I want y'all to check this out. So I went and bought this clutch, this high performance clutch, which was like 20-something dollars. I bought this from Studz Hardware. Repeat, Studz Hardware. Located on Telegraph in Dearborn Heights. That's where I went and bought this from, okay? Now, I was told that this engine is one of the best top quality engines ever, but it's not shitting on the Honda. Don't know too much about the Honda engine, but if you do, comment in the comment section below and let me and others know more about this Honda engine. So right now, what am I doing is I'm taking this thing apart right here. I'm already on this. I'm taking this off right here. I already loosened the chain up, took the pin out, everything right there. Now I'm not disconnecting none of this. I'm not disconnecting none of this because I don't have to. The only thing I have to do is just unbolt the bolts at the bottom, pull this thing off, and we're gonna go from there. Now, when I first bought this bike, I immediately just threw engine oil in it. But what I didn't know was that you need to put this in there first. Look at it, y'all. Do y'all see this? You need to put this in there first to break it in, to get it going, to get it lubed properly, so you won't destroy your engine in the inside. And then, this is the best quality engine oil for these mini bikes, okay? Don't go putting that engine oil that go in the cars. You put the engine oil that go in the cars, you're more likely gonna be wondering why you losing power or why it's not working properly, because you putting engine oil in a small 4-stroke engine, the type of engine that goes in a fucking 6-cylinder or 8-cylinder. Don't do that. You got to put the right type of oil in there. Yeah, the instructions say 10W30 type thing, but you need the right stuff. Do y'all see what that says? That says small engine oil. That's other stuff is not for small engines. That stuff is for the bigger engines. So it's not going to work properly in the small engines. But like I said, start off with this. Put this in the engine oil and break it in for a little bit. Right, do a block or two. Don't even do a block or two. Just let it run for like 15 minutes. Take it out and then put that back in there. It's just that simple. It's kind of like cleaning it out, lubing it up, whatever you want to call it. You know, but yes, this thing has the stage 1 on it already, ready to go. But one thing I messed up on was this right here. The bolt that goes inside of here. I thought that the bolt that was on here would fit, but it doesn't fit. I don't even know where that thing is. Lost it. It's somewhere, but it doesn't fit in here. This is a different size, so I got to get the right one that actually fit. What's up, little homie? Say hey, everybody. What you got to say? Huh? You shy? She's shy. She's shy, y'all, but like I said, it's going to be a quick and short, simple video. Now, I saw somebody put the Predator engine on their bike, and it took them less than 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So, I'm just getting started. I only been doing this for maybe about 5 minutes. And I got all the brats and stuff here, man. They all here with me. So, I'm about to end this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up if y'all like it. Give it a thumbs down if y'all don't like it. And if I missed anything, comment in the comment section below and let myself and others know what I've missed and more about this Predator engine, things about the Honda engine, and the 196cc engine. All right, so we about to go ahead and rock this baby, get it together, and I see y'all in the next video.